Benchwarmers and YouTube fans. So I'm going to do a recap of bots that I did, a bots break of Benchwarmer 2002. As you can see, these are all the cards. So I'm going to set the camera down and tell you what I actually got. So there's 36 packs altogether. And when we first opened the pack, we had this beautiful Casey, by the way, bots topper. All right. And there was 2 autographs. So here they are, the 2 autographs that were in the box out of the 36 packs. It was Bonnie Jill LaFlynn, and this is let's see, it doesn't say a number on it, so here it is. And also Tammy Sheffield. So these were the 2 autographs, and we also got a swatch, a bikini piece, and this is Cindy Margolis. And what's so cool is that there's only 1 out of 360 packs, so we were able to. So we had a hot bots. So there's the back to that, and then of course we got the inserts. The inserts were these chromium hotties. Tammy Sheffield, 3 out of 8. Oops. Tanya Watts, 5 out of 8. And Mary Eve Dufault, and that one's 8 out of 8. And we also got 4 All-American Chromium cards. The first one was Tammy Vanderpool, 7 out of 12. Okay. We also got Sarah Schwartz, and that one 6 out of 12. We got Katie Lay, that was 3 out of 12. And Bonnie Jill LaFlynn. And all these other cards, and altogether they make up about 2 sets. So there's about 2, almost 3 sets altogether, because there's a lot of doubles and a couple of triples. So basically I got 2 sets of the 2002 Benchwarmer, and 2 autographs, and 1 swatch, bikini swatch card, the jumbo. So it was alright. Alright, well, thanks for watching, YouTube.